I'm Michael Carbonaro. I seem to have an effect on people.
Woo! What? Woo!
It's like when you do a double take.
Woo!
You have a moment where you see something that's not possible, but it's happening right in front of you. That's exactly what we're doing.
That is too cool.
I am always fascinated by the human being's willingness to actually... Whoa, 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 whoa.
What would happen if somebody gets a delivery and inside it is a live animal?
That was inside my phone.
Yeah, literally. It's great fun.
To get someone to believe in something that couldn't possibly be happening.
It's great fun.
Real people.
Wait a minute.
Real reactions. That's the Carbonaro effect.